My buddy Mike has been on the channel before, and he's the one that owns the red NSX. Now that my car's all cleaned up, I'm ready to take it out to an event. My buddy Mike has been on the channel before, and he's the one that owns the red NSX. He's on his way here now. He just got a new carbon fiber wing for it, so we're going to remove the OEM one and replace it with the aftermarket one.
What's up, coach? 10.
All 6 screws are taken out. Here's the third brake light wire.
See?
And the OEM wings right there. Here's the new carbon fiber wing. It looks like it's just a plug and play cable.
Downforce. It's rare. It's an old Downforce.
Good to go. We just finished installing the wing. It was a lot easier than we expected. We didn't really have to cut any of the wires. It was pretty much plug and play. So it looks a lot more aggressive.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not
On the last episode, I spoke about getting my M5 ready for an event down in Costa Mesa. I'm gonna go ahead and get a good wash, polish, and then wax it. It was a pretty hot day, so I decided to take out the 911 so I could bring the M5 in the garage and wash it inside so it's away from direct sunlight. I'll be using 2 DAs for this job. The 5-inch will be for the flat, bigger surfaces, whereas the 3-inch will be covering the more tighter areas and intricate spaces. I started off with polishing my car and then finishing off with waxing it, and I used both products by Meguiar's. It took several hours for me to fully detail my M5. It's been more than 2 months since I last washed it, so bringing the shine back and having it clean is definitely a lot more fun to drive around with, and with it being black, it really stands out. Now that my car's all cleaned up, it's been about 1.5 years since I last took my car to an event, so I'm excited to take it for a drive today. I just arrived at the event. Right behind me is my car. There's still a lot of cars that are coming in, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and get some footage of them coming in. Stepped out for a minute because it was a little too loud in there. A lot of the cars here are mostly VIP with a mix of some exotic cars. I'm glad I brought my BMW because on the background you can see some of the Mercedes-Benz. On the other side there's also a lot of BMWs, so it fits right in. I kind of drifted off on the side of the shop, and I noticed this nice S13 in the background, and then the Land Cruiser right behind me. I'm back where I started off the vlog. It's getting late and my family's in the car, so I couldn't stay too long. I'm pretty sure that there are more cars that are coming, but for now I'm going to go ahead and drop a montage of the cars that showed up while I was here. On episode 77, I addressed a problem with my 911. It had a check engine light, and I thought I fixed the problem, but after a full dry cycle, the light came back on. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.